DPP of SN1 reaction. The first question is this is ethyl alcohol. This is weak nucleophile, therefore it will undergo SN reaction. Now, whenever you have decided that or you have concluded that it will undergo SN1 reaction, what you have to do? First, you depart the leaving group. Now, this cation can rearrange. This is secondary cation. It will rearrange. It will become tertiary cation. Now, ethyl alcohol can react from top as well as bottom. Now, we have two products. OEPH. Only when hydrogen is lost, we have OH. Since these two are same, it is not a chiral carbon. Therefore, there is no question of discussing both D and L. This is the final. Second option is CH3OH. Again, this is an example of SN1 reaction. Now, Br minus is lost. It will undergo resonance. Now, we have product from both the carbocation because both are stable. Although it is slightly more stable, but both are stable. Therefore, when we write the product from this, keep in mind the product is OH. Sorry, one carbon here. OH and CH3. Next step we have this. Therefore, the product is OCH3. Similarly, from this compound, the product will be OCH3. These two are product for this. Next is third. Br H2O. Again, this is an example of SN1 reaction. When Br is lost, draw the Lagrange structure. See here, this is also secondary plus allyl. This is also secondary plus allyl. Both are equally stable. Therefore, from both we'll have product. From this we'll have product OH. From this we'll have product. These two are product. Next is question number 4 and 5. No reaction. Reason is very simple because at aryl halide we cannot have substitution reaction. Similarly, at vinyl chloride we cannot have substitution reaction. Now question number 6. HCH3H5. Weak nucleophile, SN1 reaction, it will depart. HCH3. This is secondary carbocation. If this H migrates to this point, we will have a D arrangement. The product will be this. This is the final product. Seven carbon is attached to H, F, Br and CS3. Now this is nucleophile is OCS3 minus CS3O minus. This is strong nucleophile. Therefore, it will undergo SN2 reaction. Which is better living group? There are two living groups, fluorine and bromine. This is better living group. It will substitute this. The product is OCS3. This is the product. Next we have question number 8. CH. This is benzene ring C6H5. This is towards the viewer and this is away from the viewer D. When nucleophile attack, it will substitute this. Now, what will happen? It is towards the viewer. When nucleophile attack from back side, these two will interchange. H, C6H5. This will become D. This will become H. Because in SN2 reaction we have inversion of configuration. See, this here is this side. If you are not able to understand, let me explain it again. Cl is this towards the viewer, and this is D. If backside takes place, it will go and this will come to this side. So this D becomes towards the viewer and this. Next we have remaining question are easy question. I am just writing the answer. For 9, the answer is CS3 CS2F. For 10, answer is C triple bond CCS3. For 11, we'll have no reaction. For 12, we'll have, of course, reaction taking place. This is not bridgehead. Therefore, OH will attach here. For 13, we'll have I here, CS3OH. It is weak nucleophile. SN1, it will depart. Now rearrangement will take place. It will rearrange. Always before rearranging, count the number of carbon. Therefore, during rearrangement, this 2,6 bond, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will directly combine with 1 and will have positive charges. You can write this structure as 6 numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 will have positive charge, and this nucleophile CS3 will combine and this carbon OCS3. This is the final product. Now, for 14 and 15, I am just writing the answer. For 14, SN1 will have this order: tertiary, secondary, primary. SN2 will have this order: primary, secondary, tertiary. Keep in mind, living group has this order: iodide, bromide, chloride. Now, 14A, SN2 reaction, therefore first will be faster, B, second will be faster, C, second will be faster, and D first is part. For 15 SN1 reaction, second will be faster. For B, second will be faster. For C, second faster. For D also second faster. This is the answer. Reason obvious. You have to find C. If SN1 reaction are to be arise, tertiary will be faster. If SN2 reaction are to arise, primary faster. If structure are same, let us see which is better living group. Better living group will always support both SN1 and SN2. Thank you.